Look, on a daily basis, I want you to take care of yourself, not just to look good, which yes, I am going to make you look good, but also to feel good. Bro, I want you to feel good in your own skin. So today, I'm going to show you 7 personal care habits every man should implement. For example, I want you to book your next haircut while you're getting your haircut. You see your boy right now? Bro, bro, this is bad. It's exactly 2 weeks. My barber's coming through today. See, I have him on repeat. Literally, you should, and I've been doing this since I was a kid. I think my dad taught me this, where as soon as we were at the barbershop seat that we were getting a cut, we were already asking him to schedule for 2-3 weeks out to book the next cut. And the reason for this is accountability. Most guys will get the haircut, they'll leave, they'll forget about their haircut until it's way too late. You're looking bummy, you have to go out at night, you call up your barber, he's booked. The best thing you can do for accountability is book your barber as soon as you're sitting in the chair. Book him 2 weeks out, 3 weeks out, depending on your haircut. If it's a fade, it's usually 2 weeks out. That way, you can keep that fresh fade, that confidence 24/7, and you always look good. 2, I want you to go for a run. So I was the type of dude that used to hate running. Like I couldn't even run a mile. Lately, I have been running, and I've been loving it. Last week, I clocked in 12 miles, bro. It was amazing. Just when you're out there on your stride, it's a great way to just think. You clear your mind, you get the vitamin D. And here's the thing, if you don't like running, you don't have to. You can go for a walk, you can go for a bike ride, but these are free activities that you can do to get you to move. The whole point, the only thing that I want you to do for your personal care is to move. Physically move. And what I like about running or bicycling or any of these steady state cardios that you can participate in is it'll be for a long period, 20, 30, 40 minutes. Think of them as your mental health period, your personal therapist that as you're running, you're thinking, you're clearing your thoughts, you're problem solving. It's a great way to de-stress on top of the testosterone production, on top of the fat loss, on top of the sweating that releases toxins. When it comes to personal care, moving is the best thing you can do. 3, wear a great fragrance. This one's simple. This one's easy. This one takes seconds. If the last one was hard, you're going to love this one because you literally grab your favorite fragrance and spray it. See, this is not just so you smell great for everybody else and become a magnet. Yes, that is an adverse effect, but scientifically it has been proven that when you apply a fragrance that you like, your own self-perception is elevated. In other words, when you spray it, you feel better about yourself. You feel good because you're smelling something that you like and therefore perceive yourself to be more attractive. That's what's key. That's the personal care steps that I want you to implement every day so you take on the day with the highest level of confidence. And if you don't know where to start, go check out our brand Santa Lucia. That's what I do best, bro. Our 3 fragrances from our dark collection, they're supposed to smell like your niche fragrances. In other words, all the oils come from France and Italy. It's made with some of the best oils in the world. It's a parfum, so it's 21% concentration. In other words, these are heavy hitter fragrances, right? When you walk into a room, it smells like it's like the olfactory Rolex. It smells like $500. That's why they're so expensive. Our fragrances are top of the line, and they're supposed to compete with some of the best brands in the world. And when you smell them, you'll see what I'm talking about. Actually, there's this girl that, her name is like Curly Fragrance. I'm giving her a shout out now. Go check it out. She did a review on our set, and that's essentially what she was saying, that our fragrances smell like your Tom Fords, like your Killians. That's where I want you to be. You'll smell like money, you'll feel great. It's a unique scent. It's not a copy or a dupe from another. No, it's 100% unique. So everywhere you go, you're the only one that's gonna smell that good. So here's what I'm gonna do, boys. I know the set of 3 is expensive. Look, I get it. We use expensive materials. So for today only, for the next 24 hours, I'm gonna give you 35% off if you buy the set of 3. And I'm not even going to leave it there. I'm going to give you one of our free candles. One of our high-end candles. They go for like $90. That way, your rooms can smell great as well. They use the same oils that are in our fragrance, so that's why it's so high-end. I'm going to give you that $90 candle for free if you shop this set of 3 in the next 24 hours. The link will be down below. After that, that expires. 4, have some quiet time. This is good. This is good, especially right before bed, or if you want to do it really early in the morning. Get up early. There's no noise, there's no text messages, there's no content, there's nothing for you to do other than sit down and think. 30 minutes, 40 minutes, an hour if you have it. This is when you journal, right? Some of your best thoughts will come out during this time period. Look, when my head is cluttered, I love to write. because I'm thinking about all these things, right? I'm thinking about that business, then I'm thinking about videos, and I'm thinking about that, then I'm thinking about that. So I'm just writing, and I'm writing. And here's the thing. I'm going to give you a secret when it comes to business. Nobody knows what they're doing. When it comes to entrepreneurship, or when it comes to when you're starting a business, it's a lot of testing. All you're doing is running hypotheses all day long. So you're testing, you're testing, you're testing, you're testing. And you're waiting for one of those tests to hit. That is, I just summarized business for you basically. That is all you do, and you're rapidly testing. So the ability that your brain has to problem solve through the current problems that you do have will pretty much determine your success. Adding that quiet time for yourself, you can apply that to every aspect of your life. Your relationships, your business, your schooling, your athleticism, whatever it is that you're pursuing. Write down, think, problem solve. Number 5, have a skincare routine. This is crucial. See, the level or the amount of care that you put on yourself will pretty much be a direct correlation with the perceived value that you see on yourself. In other words, if I myself value myself and I see myself as this 10-10 dude, the level of care I'm going to apply to that will be astronomical. That is your temple. I want you to take care of your largest organ. Your skin, especially the skin on your face, is what everyone sees. This is like your business card. This is your greeting. This is what everybody sees. If that is a mess, it's ashy, oily, full of acne, looks dirty, you're already starting off in the wrong foot. Start with a skincare routine. And when you find products that actually work, because this is what's key, most of you are just using generic skincare products. You need to find products that work for your skin type. Everybody has different skin type. You have your oily skin, your standard skin, or your neutral skin. You have your combination skin. You need to determine what skin type you have and then find the products that work for you, and that's when you're going to start seeing results. Finally, number 6, keep your hands trimmed and clean. There's 2 things you want to do with your hands. I'm not telling you to go get a manicure. You can if you want to. But if you want to keep it simple, keep them trimmed. That's key. You keep your nails trimmed, you avoid your nails to be dirty, and 2, apply a lotion. If your hands are nice and soft, nice and trimmed, I promise you, she's gonna notice. Bro, they look at your hands. I'm telling you, if you got good hands, you got it in the bag.